Jai Shri Krishna. A very enthusiastic welcome to one and all present here. Good morning, everyone. Calling a nation independent does not make it independent. When all the people of the country are not independent, then how can we say that our country is independent? To go outside, always a woman asks her family members. For a late night work, a man is always required for a woman. But man is not needing anyone, not required any permission. So, our group name Sarvottam, which means who are best in all the fields, is this time here to present the drama of the past and the present situation of the woman, which is woman empowerment. 17th century. In 17th century, women could not vote. Women could not enjoy as much as man could. She needs to deal with the cruel and the humiliating prathas, which is Dudh Piti, Sati Pratha, child marriage, etc. Even Parda system was also a part of it. Scene 1. Here, scene 1 shows that how the ancient people follow the practice of Dudh Piti. Dudh Piti was a myth of the 40 side in which newborn baby girls were killed by drowning them in the bucket full of milk. This scene covers the role of a father, a mother, a newborn baby, and a nurse.
बेटी बड़ी होकर हमारा नाम रोशन करेगी।
नहीं, मुझे बेटी नहीं चाहिए। मेरी बेटी मेरे लिए बोझ है।
बधाई हो, बेटी हुई है।
क्या? बेटी हुई है?
रुको, ऐसा मत करो। बेटी बड़ी होकर हमारा नाम रोशन करेगी।
नहीं, मुझे बेटी नहीं चाहिए। मेरी बेटी मेरे लिए बोझ है।
Scene 2. This scene covers on how women were not able to fight against the people for her self-defense. This scene covers the role of a woman and a two men.
ओए होए, कहीं छोड़ दे क्या?
Scene 4 depicts about the restriction on the woman. Women were generally discouraged from receiving an education. This scene covers the role of a father and her daughter.
पापा, मुझे पास के शहर में पढ़ने जाना है।
क्या? पढ़ने के लिए जाना है? नहीं नहीं, बहुत पढ़ लिया। अब आगे नहीं पढ़ना है। अभी 5 दिन में तुम्हारी शादी है।
Scene 5. Scene 5 revolves around the ancient ritual of the child marriage. Child marriage is a global issue, and research has found that the child marriage have many long-term negative consequences for the child girl and child boy.
In 19th century also, the condition of women was not too good. Women needs to suffer time limitation to reach home, even the discrimination, taking jobs and even in clothes that time. In short, women face significant social restrictions and limitations. Scene 1. Scene 1 portrays that women face significant time limitations. Their days were primarily dedicated to the household chores, childcare and managing the home, and the limited freedom was provided. This scene covers the role of a father and her daughter.
पापा, मैं मेरी दोस्त के घर जा रही हूँ। मुझे आते आते 7 बज जाएंगे।
बेटा, अपने दोस्त के घर जाओ और 5 बजे तक आ जाना।
प्लीज़ पापा, 7 बजे तक रुकने दो ना।
नहीं बेटा, हमारे वहाँ लड़कियाँ 5 बजे के बाद बाहर नहीं जाती।
Scene 2. Scene 2 revolves around a restriction on women who were not allowed or not given the liberty for the wearing of clothes of their choice. This scene covers the role of a mother, a father and their daughter.
मम्मी, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ?
बेटा, तुम अपने पापा से ही पूछ लो।
ये पहनना है, इससे अच्छा कुछ और पहन लो।
Scene 3. Here scene 3 depicts about women's rights during 19th century. They did not have legal rights and were generally controlled by their husbands. They were having no rights to do any job. This scene covers the role of one girl who want job and 2 compounders.
सर, मुझे इस कंपनी में जॉब चाहिए। एक लड़की?
हम इस कंपनी में लड़कियों को जॉब नहीं देते।
21st century. In the 21st century, women are increasingly taking an active roles in the society, pursuing education, careers and the leadership positions across various fields. Although challenges like gender inequality and discrimination still persist, here women were allowed to do everything they want. Scene 1. Here scene 1 portraits about the reduction of restriction on women as compared to 19th century, and woman has achieved the freedom and she could wear whatever she wants. This scene covers the role of a mother, a father and their daughter.
मम्मा मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ? बेटा तुम बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो.
हाँ बेटा, तुम बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रही हो.
Scene 2. Scene 2 explores the studies of a woman in the 21st century. Studies of a woman in the 21st century focus on examining the evolving roles, challenges and the achievements of women across various social, economic and political fields. This scene has a role of a mother, a father and their daughter.
पापा मुझे पढ़ने के लिए एब्रॉड जाना है.
हाँ हाँ बेटा, तुम एब्रॉड पढ़ने जाओ, खुशी से जाओ और हमारा नाम रोशन करो.
हाँ हाँ बेटा जाओ.
Scene 3. Scene 3 depicts about the job opportunities for women. Today's women of 21st century are capable of doing work equally as compared to men. They are empowering themselves by taking higher education and are ahead in various fields. This scene has the role of a compounder and a girl who wants the job.
चलो हम आज कहीं बाहर जाते हैं.
Scene 4. Scene 4 has a friendship with the other woman, which can increase the level of the social support, hope and self-esteem. And these two women empowerment. This scene has 3 friends in the group.
चलो हम आज कहीं बाहर जाते हैं.
हाँ तो चलो राधिका को भी साथ ले चलते हैं.
चल राधिका, कहीं बाहर घूमने चलते हैं.
चलो चलो मैं मेरी मम्मा को पूछ लेती हूँ. मम्मा फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहीं बाहर घूमने जाऊँ? हाँ हाँ जाओ. बाय मम्मा, हम खाना खा के रात को आएंगे.
Scene 5. Scene 5 describes about the capability of the woman for protecting themselves from the evil persons of today's world. This scene has 3 friends and 2 boys.
ओए होए,
कहाँ जाने का प्लान है मैडम?
Now, as we conclude our today's drama, let me just remind you that woman empowerment is a key to build a fair and a progressive society where everyone can succeed. It can help women to lead a fulfilling lives and participate in the world's fair and contribute to the development of the communities. So, thank you everyone for listening us carefully and giving us chance to perform. Thank you, friends.